Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make a copycat version of Carrabbas Blackberry Sangria. I'm going to show you two different wine openers, both available from the Pampered Chef, and we're going to mix this in our family size quick stir pitcher. So I've made videos making this recipe before, but I'm going to change it up just a little bit today, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by opening our wine. So I make it a little bit differently now, and I add a third bottle. So I've got 2 bottles of sweet red and 1 bottle of white Zinfandel, and I like the Winking Owl brand. It's from Aldi. You guys know that I love shopping at Aldi, so I'm going to show you both of our wine openers. So let's start off first with the electric opener. And the electric wine opener does come with a charging cable. While this is charging, it does light up while it's charging, and then once it's done charging, the light will go out so that you know that you have a full charge. The stand also doubles as a foil cutter. So you can see on the back that there's a foil cutter there. You put it on top of the bottle, give this a squeeze, and just twist the bottle all the way around. And what you'll find is it cuts off the foil and leaves it right there for you. To take the cork out of the bottle, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the wine opener on top of the bottle, you're gonna press the down button, and it's gonna pull the cork right out of the bottle. And then to take the cork out of the wine opener, you just press the up button, and it's gonna give you that right back. I like to put these corks right into my fruit bowl because it helps keep the fruit flies away. So there's 1 bottle, and then I'm going to show you our manual wine opener next. So the manual wine opener comes in a little felt bag. You're going to get the wine opener and the foil cutter. So let's start with the foil cutter. It works similar to the other one, but you just squeeze it, and then you twist all the way around, just like that. Exposes the cork and takes out the, whoops, I was going to use that one again. It exposes the cork there, takes the foil off. So for this one, let me give you a little bit wider view there. You're going to place this on top, and then you're going to grip right here and press down into the cork, and then just pull straight up, and it's going to pop the cork out. Now, to get the cork out of the wine opener, what you're going to do is you're going to grip right here, and you're just going to pull up, and I have to do it the right way here for it to feel right. There we go. And there's the cork. And again, I like to put those in the fruit bowl to keep away the fruit flies. So let me set this aside. I think I can just pull this cork out. I actually opened this bottle previously. So let's go ahead and mix this up. We're going to use Pampered Chef's family size quick stir pitcher. This might fit in the 1 quart size, or excuse me, the 2 quart size, but this is the gallon, so that's what we're going to use today. So I'm going to pour both bottles of the sweet red. All right, so 2 bottles of sweet red. We're going to add 1 bottle of white Zinfandel. I used to make this with just sweet red, and I started changing it up and making it with the white Zinfandel, and I think I like it better this way. So you could try it both ways. So this would not fit in the other one. I never can remember, so I wanted to make sure I had one big enough. I'm going to add 14 ounces of Monin Blackberry syrup. This syrup can be purchased on Amazon. So you can sometimes get it in bulk and save a little bit of money if you buy like bottles, packs of 4, but you can get these in single bottles. So this is Monin brand Blackberry syrup, and we added 14 ounces of that. We're also going to add 14 ounces of cranberry juice, and this is 100% cranberry juice. You don't want to get the cranberry juice cocktail. I had a little bit left over in another container, so I didn't need very much out of this one, so it can be deceiving there. It doesn't look like I used very much. And then we're going to add 6 ounces of this Italian liqueur. It's Tuaca is the name of this, and you can get that at a liquor store. Pour that in. Don't leave that out. I think it adds a really nice flavor. And then we're going to put the lid to our quick stir pitcher right on the top. And we're just going to gently plunge thundering at my house. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Gently plunge to mix this. Now, if you're gonna serve this at a party in the pitcher, you can add all of your fresh fruit right into the pitcher. Blackberries are great, but I also like to use raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. And so I've got a few things that I wanna show you real quickly before we finish up. I'm gonna garnish this with an orange as well. So let me grab my cutting mat here. So first, let's go ahead and pour a glass. So let's see, make sure this is open. And if you want to serve this over ice, you can, but I recommend just getting this nice and cold in the fridge. There we go. We're going to add some of our berries right to the glass because it makes it look fun. And then I'm going to just add, oops, let's see. Add a strawberry on the side, and then I'm gonna take my chef's knife and I'm just gonna slice a thin slice of, that one doesn't have enough actual orange. This has got a really thick rind. All right, and then I'm gonna just put a little slit there and put that on the side of the glass just to make it look a little bit pretty. So you can garnish your sangria in the pitcher. If you wanted to, you could put all the berries and the orange slices in the pitcher, or you can just add it on the side of the glass. So cheers. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.